Hi, today I show you a comparison between a clean compressor and some color compressor. I put a sine wave on a track. You can see the sine wave here. First of all, I use a clean compressor. You can see this compressor don't add no harmonics to the sound. Okay. If I use this compressor, um, the Stay Digital or TubeTech plugins, compressors, they will add some harmonics, some nice harmonics to the sound, because they are the clones of real hardware who will also add harmonics to the sound. Okay. First of all, Stay Digital. You can see the harmonics here. The TubeTech, also the harmonics. For the Stay Digital, again, who adds some harmonics. Okay, that's it.